want to say that if when I'm driving and just people in front of me, like let's say, for example, a minute ago someone who stopped off and dropped off a friend or somebody out of their car, and I was behind them waiting, they were blocking the traffic. But I just want to say, you know, in the past, and I could get more upset, or someone would get really upset, and I won't say I'll never get upset again, but I have to say it's easy for me these days, and it's really nice if we can just relax. Don't worry or get annoyed if people are like being slow drivers or whatever the case may be, or holding us up for a few seconds. You know, usually we make a huge fuss of it, and literally, really, sometimes the delay for people driving slow is only like, let's get it off. Yeah. It's literally only like a tiny bit, a few moments. So, yeah, try not to get too.
Let's get the fluffies off.
Just question, look at ourselves, you know, analyze yourself, work at our own reactions and triggers, and just be kind of, be smooth, sail with it, go with the flow, let people enjoy and do their thing, be happy for other people. You don't want other people to be stressed, rushing, thinking you're like a big, you want to yell at them for taking a few moments to drop off a loved one or a friend to somewhere. Be kind, you know? And if you can't, that's okay too.